like a nightmare with the life I was living on the streets. Sleeping in bus shelters and stairwells and stuff like that. But it's given us a lot to live for now, having a job.
Well, the Optimism project was founded to give second chances to people who've been in prison. And it's very difficult for people to find employment afterwards. If they do, they're very unlikely to go back to prison to re-offend.
I was an ex-drug user. I seen the damage it was doing to my family and stuff, so when I got out of jail I just wanted to fly straight, you know. It's given us stability, it's given us a lot of routine, aye.
All the products here are supplied by the cafe and bakery in the prison. And so every crumb of this delicious cake that you eat is going to rehabilitate a life, to change a life.
Did you manage to get that standing order set up?
Yeah, that's been sorted, yeah.
And has the first one come out? We're there whether you've got a problem with your housing, whether need to open a bank account, with all those little day-by-day problems. It's building that confidence and being able to follow that path and think, okay, I can do this, I've got control of this situation.
It's a place that's not just providing great food and service, but a great story, breaking down some perceptions and barriers about what prison leaving is like, and us changing our perception of how that can be.
The big success story, of course, is when somebody comes here and then almost immediately moves into further employment.
The most exciting thing about my job is seeing people's confidence grow.
LNER's funding has been absolutely crucial to the starting of this project and sowing the seeds for its continuation.
I feel a lot better myself that I'm earning me money and not going out and stealing and robbing people. I look at life more positively, I appreciate things more, and I just respect people a lot more as well.
Please come to Café 16, and huge thanks to LNER for their support.